Hi, I'm Olivia, and this is our new tomato variety, Unity. We haven't released any red large tomato variety from our own breeding program since Defiant, and I'm very excited to bring you this dual-purpose variety. Unity has late blight, nematode, and leaf mold resistance to be used in both open field and high tunnel. It has a very beautiful tomato shape and size, also has good flavor. It is at least 1 week earlier than Geronimo. It is not a high-tech greenhouse variety that you can grow for 12 months, but in a low-tech high tunnel and open field, it will keep producing high yield and good quality fruits for at least the first 5 weeks. We are very proud of Unity, and we hope you'll like it too.